What up, guys, and welcome back. And as you can tell, we're outside here with the 120-gallon aquarium, the patio aquarium. And if we're out here, it's because we have a new video to make with new fish. Well, you guys probably saw it with the thumbnail, but let's get started. So what could be put in this aquarium, right? It's 120 gallons. It's got filtration, it's got oxygen, it's got a heater, it's got light, it's got plants, it's got driftwood. So what exactly could we go in here? We do have an fire eel in here that we barely see anyway. We also have some bristlenose plecos in there that's growing. So honestly, a whole boatload of different fish could fit in here, right? So I'm not gonna have you guys guessing, and you guys probably did see the thumbnail. But if I point to what I have in this bucket, can you tell? No, can't tell either. If I grab it and I were to show you one of them, hopefully without stressing them out too much, because there's more than one, by the way. Can you tell what this is? Okay, anywho, probably still can't tell. Anyway, we are going to be acclimating them. Make sure this is clean, nothing else inside of it. You're adding little bits of water at a time to get them acclimated to the fish tank. But yeah, we're getting finally new fish. We're getting the videos going on and everything. So yeah, we got a total of 5 of them, and we actually have porgies. No, I think they kind of look like porgies, but we already have technically 3 of them with our stingrays, and those are the Geophagus. We have 5 of them, and they're albino, and they came from a breeder, which I ended up getting also a new project tank. That's gonna be a great hit, I think, in the channel, because it's huge. It's my biggest tank ever yet. But yeah, I mean, literally, I think the dimensions are 7 feet by 1 second. Yeah, 7 feet by if you saw that in the glimpse over there, that's the tank. But 7 feet by like 2 feet by 3 feet or something like that. That'll be in an upcoming video. But the tank cost me a total of $250 plus another $50 in tie down straps, ratchet straps, and gas and tow. Had to go all the way to Long Island to get this bad boy, but I think it's worth it. I'm happy with it. It's already drilled through, so thank God for that. But yeah, we're gonna stick these bad boys in there and see what happens. I'm gonna continue doing the way I've been acclimating them for a couple more minutes, and yeah, we'll come back once they're finished acclimating. So we're here in front of the fish tank again, and guess what I have here? Shrimp. Right, and we're gonna be feeding our bad boys. Turn on the light. We throw in 2-3 pieces. Discus can go for it. Get everybody a little hungry. But anyway, the stingrays are doing fine. I mean, they're doing great. Everybody's eating. The discus are eating. And I think now it's time to actually release the Geophagus. Just turn on the Higher water pump, I think is what it's called. Oh shoot, something is inside of that. Looks like we've gotten the roots of the bamboo actually stuck inside of it. I need something to grab it out of. Little hiccups like this happen often in the hobby, and I'm gonna actually not hide it or anything, because see if I can get it out with this. Just have to cut it correctly. So we should have fixed that problem. Here's the string, or whatever the roots are. And this is actually magnetic. So what I was doing was just throwing this like so. Don't get stuck with the roots. Turn it on. I think that should be better. Still making some noises though. But I'll figure that out after. I believe I didn't get all of it. And of course, get it hooked up to I don't see anything else in here. It looks fine. Why are you making noises? I don't know what it was, but it's not making noises now. And I completely got just concentrated by that whole thing, and they didn't even show you guys me feeding the fish. That sucks. Whatever. What is done, it is done. Can't do anything about it. So a good thing about having these big tanks, look how I'm acclimating this. Well, you can't really see now, can you? I just put the bucket inside of it. In a 10-gallon tank, that wouldn't work, right? But in a 120-gallon tank, it's got a big enough opening to just throw the bucket in there, and not enough water displacement to overflow the tank. So we're gonna leave them in there for a little bit, maybe 20 minutes, and then we can let them go, instead of having to do the old process of, you know, pouring little by little. Anyway, let's continue looking over here. If you guys think you guys know what fish or what tank I actually ended up getting, drop them down in the comments below. So now that we've gotten enough time for it acclimating, it's time to start to release these bad boys before they get hurt or anything. You think we can catch them by hand without stressing them out too much, or you think we should grab a net? Let me try. Here we have one. I'm trying to show you guys a better look, but really it's not working for me. Super cool. So here we have the net. Let's see if I can grab one. That's a much better grab. I mean, I really wish I wanted to show you guys how they really look. Like, really, wow. Oh, it's too fast for you guys to even see on camera. I'm gonna show you guys right now how we. So, we've released all 5 of the Geophagus. These are all albino ones. Hopefully they do great in here. They're all hiding over there. I'm gonna turn off the light so they can finish getting used to the tank and everything, but for the most part they're doing great. Again, they came from a breeder, so I don't believe we'd have any problems future wise, hopefully, crossing our fingers. They had a whole school of them. I really wanted more, but you know what, 5 is a good amount. But anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. And this is me getting 5 new Geophagus, not including what else I got in the back there. If you stayed this long, I'll show you. You saw it. You saw it. I know you did. That's more than enough. But yeah, it's double this. So, biggest tank out there that I've gotten. So, yeah. Anyway, peace. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Why don't you check us out on TikTok and Instagram? We post daily there.